Here's a quick review of this portable tire inflator. Let me go ahead and turn this on so you can see what it looks like on the screen. Right here is an indication of what mode I'm in. It says car mode. If you press this button here, it changes to motorcycle. Press that again and it's set to inflate a bicycle tire. Press it again and now it's set to inflate a ball, like a basketball. And this is to indicate a custom mode if you want to inflate something that doesn't apply to any of the other pre-existing modes. And this flashing number is the number I have set in PSIs that I want my tire to be inflated to. So let me go ahead and turn this on so you can hear what it sounds like. And it's about as loud as a gas station pump, really no difference. If you're interested to know how many tires can be inflated on a single charge when this is charged all the way, it is able to inflate all 4 of your tires on a single charge. And I think that's really good. The reason I got this was because I had a slow leak on one of my tires, and this did a really good job of being portable and being able to inflate that tire wherever I went. And so I think it's a really good unit, works really well, and has a really good charge. And most importantly, it's able to inflate all 4 tires if you need to.